Hi, my name is JoAnn, and I've been coming here for about 18 months now. I started coming here because my teeth were not good. I had major dental work over the course of many years. It was not working for me. I was embarrassed to smile. I was embarrassed for people to really look me in the face. So I came here to see what they could do for me. My ease started with meeting the dentist, Dr. Bhullar, Terry, and all of the rest of his staff. They were very forthcoming in all of the information that they gave me. And I was pretty comfortable with making that decision right off the bat. I was pretty naive about the process, even though it was all explained to me exactly what was going to happen, when it was going to happen, and how it was going to happen. I still was pretty naive about it. I was very excited that it was going to happen, so I kind of just put the rest of it to the back of my mind. Certainly not as painful as I thought it was going to be. It just was a long process. Life has improved immensely. I'm happier. I smile more at people. I just feel comfortable. I don't have pain while eating. I don't have food getting stuck in cavities that I didn't even know I had. So it's a wonderful process, and I am so happy to have done it.